In this video, I'm going to review the Exodus wallet, but this time the mobile version. So let's see how good this wallet is. This wallet is available for both Android and iOS devices. Here I am in the Google Play Store, but I'm sure you can find it easily in your iPhone Apple Store. I already installed it, so let's open it. We can either set up a new wallet by clicking here on the Get Started button, or if you already have a wallet, we can click here on I already have a wallet, and if I click that, you can sync it with your desktop application that I reviewed in my previous video, or restore from backup. If I restore from backup, I'm asked to input the 12-word seed phrase, that is the backup code I'm telling you about over and over in all my wallet reviews, that you need to backup and have them safe and secure. You'll just type your seed phrase here, and then your wallet will be restored for you. If you already have the Exodus wallet installed on your computer, you can just scan the QR code on your desktop application, and then you'll be able to manage your crypto both on your desktop application and mobile application from the same wallet. They will be synced together. Let's just start with a new wallet. Here I'm presented a bit of information about this wallet, the main features that we're actually going to review today. So let's get started. One great thing about this wallet is that it makes it really easy for you to start using crypto. I clicked Get Started, and here I am, already have a wallet for my crypto. But again, this is the one thing that I don't like about the application, is that for beginners, it doesn't present you the importance of the seed phrase, the backup phrase that you must critically use and store safely, because otherwise, in case something happens with your device, you won't be able to restore your coins. So you really need to understand the importance of this backup phrase. Only by having this seed phrase backed up securely, you'll be able to access your coins in case something happens with any of your devices. So if you install the Exodus wallet, the most important thing is to go and back up your seed phrase. So let's see how we can do that. And imagine I'll click here on this icon and then on security. And here I am. I found the backup option. So click on it. Here it does a good job to explain to you why it's important to have this seed phrase backed up. I click on View Secret Phrase. Because I'm recording the screen right now, it doesn't show the backup phrase, but it's there, don't worry. You have to back it up, write it down on your piece of paper. Don't store it digitally on your email or on a file on your device. So the safest way is to store it on a piece of paper, somewhere where it cannot be damaged by fire, by flood, or it cannot be stolen. We'll come back to settings later. But here is the portfolio. You can easily see the value of your portfolio, the value of your coins. Of course, you can add more coins, and you'll do that by clicking here on Add More. And here you enable or disable all the coins that you want. If you click here on the value of your portfolio, it will give you information about your assets, a summary of it. If you click here on portfolio value, you can see there's a drop down, and you can select different ways to display the order of your coins. But actually, if you just want to hold Bitcoin and Ethereum, for example, you can go to settings and disable all the other ones. Now I only have Bitcoin and Ethereum showed here. Let's click on Bitcoin. Very easy to use. This is your past activity. This is the price of Bitcoin in different charts, the balance of your portfolio, and the value in dollars. You can also read a bit about the cryptocurrency by clicking here on the About. To receive Bitcoin, click on the icon here on the right hand side, and it will show you the Bitcoin address. And if you tap the Bitcoin address, it will copy it, and then you can use it to withdraw to this wallet. You can also click on share and have different options to share this address. One way that I do it is to send an email to myself with this address, and this way, if I'm using an exchange or a platform on my computer, I'm sure that I have the right address. I recommend you to use this address that starts with BC1 because it uses the SegWit protocol, and it will be faster and cheaper. If you click here on the question mark, you'll have some information about your addresses. Like I said, the BC1, it's cheaper and faster, but it might not work everywhere. Address beginning with 1 work everywhere. That's why you have the option of 2 addresses. All right, going back to see how we can send Bitcoin, we click on the icon here on the left hand side, and you can select here how much Bitcoin you want to send. Let's say I want to send 1 Bitcoin. This is the fee that you pay for the transaction to be confirmed. It's not an Exodus wallet fee. Unfortunately, on this mobile application, you cannot change the network fee. This can be adjusted, but this wallet doesn't give you that possibility. If you already copied one and tap in this field, it will automatically paste it. Because we copied our own wallet before, it entered it automatically. And this is how you send the Bitcoin from this wallet. You have here in the top right corner an option to add a personal note, but this is optional. You don't have to use it. And this is it. It's very easy and very intuitive to send and receive Bitcoin with this wallet. It's the same for other coins. For example, Ethereum, you receive your address here and you'll be able to send from here. Another option that this wallet has is to exchange between coins, and I only recommend this if you want to exchange from one coin to another, but it will be hard to do it on any exchange. For example, if I want to trade Cardano to Tron, I don't think there's any exchange that will give you the possibility to change that, but you'll be able to do it instantly from within your wallet without sending the funds to an exchange, then do the transactions there, and you'll have to transact first to Bitcoin or another coin and then from that coin to Tron. That takes a lot of time. It takes transaction fees and withdrawal fees, and maybe it will be more worth it to use this exchange functionality here, even though it doesn't give you the best rates. But at the end of the day, even it doesn't give you the best rates, it saves you a lot of time and transaction fees, so it might be just worth it. I just don't recommend this functionality here to buy Bitcoin with. In case you have a stable coin, let's actually add some coins, because I see that they're not available here, unless probably if we have them. Let's say I'll add stable coin, Chainlink, and Cardano. Let's go back to exchange, and if you want to buy Bitcoin with Tether, you see you don't get the best rates. For example, for 100 USDT, you'll get only $95 worth of Bitcoin. But like I said, you can change Link to any other coin, Tezos for example. And like I said, you'll pay 437 worth of Link for only 413 worth of Tezos, but taking into consideration the time you spend to withdraw these funds to an exchange, to exchange them between different coins until you get your Tezos and then withdraw them back to your wallet, the time and the fees you pay in this process. So this is what the exchange feature does. In case you need it, it's here for you. On the settings tab, you have a receive Bitcoin button right here. If you click it, you'll see your address. Then the security tab, we discussed it earlier, where you can back up your wallet. Additional settings to enable notifications, sounds, change the currency, sync with your desktop wallet, restore a wallet or delete your wallet. And additional support in case you need it, you'll find it here. But that's it. It's a simple wallet and it has all the features that you would need. I really like the simplicity of it. I really like the design of it. It's really nice with a really nice user interface. The only two things that I don't like about this wallet is that it doesn't show you the importance of the backup phrase, the seed phrase that you need to back up safely at the beginning of installing this wallet. I think that's crucial, especially for beginners. So you'll have to go through extra steps to back up your wallet. For experienced user, that might not be an issue, but even for an experienced user, it's really good to make sure you back up your seed phrase right away. The second one is that you cannot set a network fee. For beginners, that's a good thing because you don't have to complicate things more than is necessary, and the network fee is always set so that your transaction is confirmed as soon as possible. But if you are an experienced user, you might want to set different fees for yourself to pay the amount you want, not the amount the wallet tells you to. So that's it for the Exodus mobile wallet review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, it really helps me grow this channel. And let me know if you use the Exodus wallet or if you plan to use it. This way, if you like the video and leave a comment, you'll enter my Bitcoin giveaway and you'll have the chance to earn $10 worth of Bitcoin for free. Good luck to you, and I'll see you in the next one.